let's do some work. Let's try to implement get by ID. So, believe in our main.go we have a few things here. Perhaps images by an ID. So let's actually make a new get request. Get image by. Right. So requests obviously HTTPS, or I don't even know what it is. HTTP local host 3000 v1 images let me see. Yeah, so then I can adjust it here, but so yeah, get image by ID handler, so we can do that here. Perfect. Okay. So let's do some metadata parsing. So I believe here in our so we can get, I guess, the ID here, our UUID, which will get us the, I think it was like chi dot right, yeah, it was chi dot query. What was it? The query params, I think. Yeah, chi or you're the param, yeah. You are a param, I believe the ID here. Good. Let me just do this. I always forget to do this. This is so annoying. Brazarat. I forgot how to. Oh, okay. I think I'm supposed to pass in that. Okay. Never mind. Okay. So we do get that, and then wait. Let me just see this real quick. Actually, let me. Actually, yeah. Let's just try it. Let's make a get request here. Yeah. Okay. Let me fix that. Nothing worked, and yeah, all right, perfect. That's what we need. Okay, now we have the ID, the UID, and yeah, I guess what's more important is my service. So I guess our processor.go. I think we have a few things. Yeah, get image by ID. So let's do this. I probably should have some kind of this and the ID. Ah, wait, could I string to UUID? I think that's really important. So UUID from string. Okay. Because that's probably pretty much. So I think in my image dot handler here, I think I probably should from I just get this UUID equals from, I guess, UUID from what? Alright, do you got not have actually just convert it here. So UUID dot from string actually I got this wrong. Is this really it? I guess this is deprecated or something. Because that's pretty important. Oh, okay, so dot parse, yeah. Okay, it needs to handle an error, of course. God damn. A wrong error format. Or wrong ID is not of type UUID. Status bad request. Okay, now we have the ID, and then we can call our a dot service dot get image by ID, and obviously context here. I'm gonna write this context out, r dot context. The ID. Perfect. Of course, I probably want to pass in an image. Okay, it's a storage image actually. Okay, so now we can do freaking p dot storage dot yeah. So basically I want to get the object key, which I can get from image p dot storage dot, well actually just get the record p dot storage dot image store image storage dot get by ID. Yeah, so p dot stores that image dot stores get image by ID. Let's pass the context around. A UUID. Pass that. This probably will error. Images, get by ID, select all fields from images where ID equals 1. Query context row. Yeah. Alright, okay. Processor.go. If error does not equal no, return nil and error. Which is actually just the image. Image metadata. Okay, now we can usually safely use this. Image. Okay, now I can call my p dot object store dot get, which should take obviously context, ID, which now is a key string, so which is I probably should get, okay, so object, let's put a key here, image metadata dot object key, and this will get me an IO reader. Okay, that is the thing though. Image. So this isn't actually giving me an image. It should be of. I think this could error, so that's why I have to consider that. Okay, so this is a little bit like scary here because I'm returning some like raw image here, which I don't know if I should do. Images.go. Images.go. Okay, so in images.go, well, what the heck? Get image by handler. Yes, that is the handle I want. When we call this, we do get a reader, which is, I don't even know what to do with that per se. But let me see. So this should be a reader instead. Oh, no, never mind, this is wrong. This is my, let me go to my image handler. So now we have here a reader and then a potential error. If error does not equal HTTP dot error not image image not found. Status or HTTP dot status not yeah. So okay, this is of type IO reader, and basically we're saying defer reader dot close. That's the thing. Okay, that is the issue. Let's do this. We'll do an image. Nah, this is unnecessary. There's just only 2 fields I need. I just need like the content type. So like in the get image, I'll also return the content type. It's just we'll do image metadata dot content type. Yep. Okay, now in our image.go, we'll have access to the content type. And then we obviously want to close this, and then I actually want to set the header content. So we just set the content type to the content type, yeah. To io.copy. We're gonna copy the bytes into that from the reader. Yeah. Actually, this is not an okay. This is more of an error. If error, unable to let me just send image, I guess some HTTP dot in status internal. There's a warning here. No new variables on the left. Oh yeah, that's true. Okay. Let's see. All I need is the wait, what do I really need again? Yes, I just need this. Yeah, I just need that. Okay. Now let's get image by this UUID. Let me see if everything's broken. See what happens. I've never done something like this. Holy shit, we got the fucking bytes. Kinda crazy. I mean, yeah, this is the raw, I guess. Yeah, there it is. So we have the actual bytes. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. So, anyways, all right. Warn. Ooh, I just got something warn. Interesting. I'll get that fixed. But anyway, that looked like it was a success. So, anyways, see you guys tomorrow.